So, good day, students. We are the developers of the web-based game I Let You Pass, and here's the tutorial on how the game works. So, first, select what type of user are you. So, here, students, and after that, click the activation account. In the student activation, input your email. And after that, enter the CAPTCHA and enter the activate button. Ayan. So, account is activation and then mag-i-email sa'yo si app and then check your email account or your inbox. Ayan. So, click the I let you pass email and then meron dong password setup and then you will click the button password setup to set up your password. Ayun. So, pupunta ka dun sa change password setup, then you will input your student number, your new password, and then type mo ulit to confirm the password. Ayan. Tapos, click mo lang yung change password. Ayan. So, pag successfully na, pwede ka na mag-login sa mismong game. Ayan. So, lagay mo lang yung TUP number mo or student number mo. And then, input your password. Ayan. And then, click the login button. Ayan. So, login successful. And then, pwede ka na mag-start doon sa pinakalaro. Ayan. So, we have 3 subjects, the general education, yung specialization, and then the prof ed. Ayan. So, sa every game or sa every subject, meron 3 level. The easy, medium, hard. Ayan. So, try natin. Select natin yung easy. Ayan, pupunta na tayo sa mismong laro. Ayan, so, select lang natin. Basahin natin maigi. And then, red means incorrect and green means correct. Ayan, so, meron tayo menu button. Pwedeng restart, pwedeng balik tayo sa pinaka-home page. Ayan, so, that's all for our game. Ayan, so pwede naman nating tingnan din yung profile, yung student number mo, yan. And then palitan yung sound settings, lakasan at pahinaan. Ayan. Ayan, so pwede na tayo mag-log out. And thank you everyone for your time and effort. So after that, pwede nyo na po kaming ma-evaluate using the TAM model. And I hope that everyone's have a good day. Thank you.